Hey, how you doing today? This is Sean with Fluke. I just got the new 393 clamp meter. Really excited to see what's inside it. Let's take a look. So the new 393 clamp meter comes with a hard plastic shell. It's got a vinyl sheath on the outside, very industrial zipper and handle. This is the new 393 clamp meter. This is the first 1500 volt Cat 3 rated clamp meter. This meter will measure up to 1000 amps AC/DC. It's got DC power. It's got polarity check. It's got visual continuity. It's a powerhouse of a meter. Let's look and see what's inside the packaging. Inside, it comes with the standard 1500 volt Cat 3 rated test leads. It's also going to come with the iFlex. This is a flexible current clamp used to measuring up to 2500 amps AC. And finally, it's going to come with your T-Pack magnetic hanging strap. This is great when you want to hang the meter and use those test leads and not have to fumble with them. I'm really looking forward to taking this meter out into the field and putting it to the test.